Time to brush the leaves aside so you can reach us. Hey, but you left me far behind. Did I mean to teach you?
The civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for all of Montana beginning at 11:05 a.m. and ending at 11:20 a.m. This is a test. The Montana Disaster and Emergency Services is conducting a routine test of the radiological hazard warning code, along with all counties testing out their own respective silent systems. Officials from the Montana Disaster and Emergency Services are advising that there is no radiological release/emergency. For additional information, the public may call the Montana Disaster and Emergency Services by calling 406-324-4777. This was a test.
Someday comes tomorrow holds sense of what I feel for you in my mind. As a trip for fire line, that cold day when you lost control.